Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Povidone Iodine Gargle 0, 5W/V. First, ensure you have the correct concentration, typically 0.5% W/V. Read the product label carefully for specific instructions and warnings. It is always wise to speak with a healthcare professional, like your doctor or pharmacist, to confirm it is suitable for your individual needs and health conditions. To begin gargling, measure out about 10 to 15 milliliters of the solution using the provided cup or a measuring spoon. Pour it into your mouth, but do not swallow. Tilt your head back slightly and gargle vigorously for 30 to 60 seconds, allowing the solution to reach all areas of your throat. This ensures maximum effectiveness. After gargling for the recommended time, it is crucial to spit out the entire solution. Do not swallow any of it, as it is not intended for internal consumption. You can typically use the gargle 2 to 4 times daily, but always follow your doctor's specific instructions. If you experience any irritation or adverse reactions, stop use immediately. Remember, never dilute the 0.5% W/V solution unless specifically instructed by a healthcare professional, as this can reduce its effectiveness. Store your Povidone iodine gargle at room temperature, away from direct sunlight and out of reach of children. For a fresh car scent, check out Little Tree's Black Ice. You can find a link to this and other great deals in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.